New members to the family, getting bigger and bigger every day. That's the border between Asturias and Galicia. Woo! Woo! Guys, we're leaving the albergue now. It's 7. Lucia and me are a bit in pain again, so we're sending the bags to the next stop, which is 28 kilometers away. So we're just walking with no mochilas. That's Peter, and we're going for a coffee. Which way?
Tarjeta!
Okay guys, 11 degrees. Savior. One, Peter. Oh. We really don't know what to do in this town, guys. And today we got Victor as well, and the dad.
New family!
New members to the family, getting bigger and bigger every day. And we also have this El Perro, Los Perros.
This is Noah.
¿Cómo se llama?
Noah.
Noah.
And this is Gypsy.
Gypsy. Oh. Right guys, you can't really see it on the GoPro, but yeah, that's...
Trust me, it's amazing.
Yes. We really need to go back to the office.
I'm never going to the office.
Leg is getting better. Victor made miracles. 18 kilometers to go. We've done 10 so far.
Mountains over there covered in clouds, and it looks like images of heaven.
Finally, we're getting closer to the border with Galicia, so we're gonna show you when we cross the line too.
And I love my Lord Jesus above anything. Under that bed there runs a flood. The bells of paradise, I heard them ring.
This is it.
This is it.
That's the border between Asturias and Galicia.
Mm-hmm.
Are we doing it?
I think we're gonna do it.
Yeah.
Ready? 1, 2.
Wow.
I like Galicia.
Yeah, it's amazing now.
Feels very different. But anyway,
yeah.
that was nice.
Alright guys.
But 1, 2, 3. And
Here we
we're
go.
in Asturias again.
Oh, look how Asturias. Nice.
Oh, Asturias is better than
It's
I
much
thought.
better than Galicia.
It was alright.
Okay guys, we're approaching the road.
This is important because for about the past 3 hours we've been lost in the forest. Any shots you've seen of us in forest is us lost.
I'll show you a picture. We're gonna show you this shot.
Yeah.
That explains what we were feeling.
That was us, yeah. You can't see it.
We are in survival mode.
Yeah.
So luckily Peter had 30 peanuts
I've
left.
got nuts, look. It's fine. Got food. We have food.
Yeah. So if we get lost 30 days, we have half peanut a day.
Yes.
So this is our ration.
Day 1
of the day.
Day 1.
So let's enjoy this. Oh man, proteins. We are definitely in Galicia now. For the second time, it's official. Oh my days. We found the there guys. That is a concha. With scallop shells. We are back on track. 12 kilometers to go. Fonsagrada, yes. Here it is. Painkiller time, guys. Leg is getting bad again. Yeah.
Take 2. Bit of band.
Gracias,
Bada bing,
Peter.
bada boom. We're in Fonsagrada, which is a village really just of 2 houses, and this is house number 2.
1 kilometer for food. Good luck. We've been walking since 8, just for sun. They're actually waiting for us. That's awesome. Good luck as always. Go to the place, nothing left. That's the only thing left. Destroying it. Chorizo and chips.
Nothing left.
So we topped up some food, finish up the 5 kilometers and gonna have some proper comida. 1 kilometer away, that's the place we're heading to. Up the hill there. Fonsagrada. Tip of the days, people. Don't believe the sign in terms of how many kilometers are left, because they really don't correspond to what it is for real. It's always more than what they say. I'm dying right now. Tough day. Again, we did like 10 kilometers more than what we should have because we misread the sign, so we shouldn't have gone through the forest. I don't know where we messed up, but yeah, I can't wait to get to the albergue right now, and I'm limping again. A la izquierda. So that's our albergue, thanks God. Right, we found a kind lady, she's guiding us towards the albergue. Scusate, no, per me.
L'ultima salita.
Ti va distrutto il ginocchio. E vai. Here we are, guys, can't believe this.
Mariano! ¡Has llegado! ¡Bravo!
¿Tienes algo libre aquí? ¿Sabes? Ahoy, 15 horas cantando la misma canción.
Mismas canciones.
Tío Indy.
Hi, Indy.
Guys, we don't need the sleeping bag tonight because we got shit. Amazing. All clean and new. Cantábrico es muy bueno. ¿Sí? Y lindo. So definitely recommend this place. Guys, it's happening again. I need the cream.
Wow.
It's big. Grande, eh?
Grande.
Yo, people, time to go to bed. We had a nice dinner as always. Feeling was a tiring day. Peter and me are dead. Right? That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
Dead. Don't forget to subscribe because we're gonna upload new episodes every week, maybe. For each tapa, we're gonna have a new episode, so stay tuned. In the next episode. Hola drone! 143 kilometers to Santiago. Follow the adventures of my Camino de Santiago on YouTube and Mamo Air. Subscribe now for the video notifications.